I knew that as soon as I had a house, I wanted to have solar in that house. We're always gonna have power outages. That's just a fact of life. So what I'm thinking is, okay, if we're always gonna have power outages, I can't change the power outages. All I can change is what I have. I wanted to make sure that I had not just enough power to run my house and keep it going overnight, but so that in an emergency, I can run it for days. Atma was the one that I chose because the people at Atma really cared about my solar setup and not just about making a sale. So I chose Atma and everything about the installation went really smoothly. One thing that I appreciated was they got here when they said they were gonna get here. It took them as long as they said it was gonna take them. That's very uncommon in my experience. That doesn't sound like something that we should be impressed with, but it blew me away. One of the things that I liked was when I was getting my system set up, I let them know, hey, I want more than what I need. And they had it ready to go. It's really nice that instead of just a canned, here's your solar system, pick A, B, or C, they went through and were able to get me exactly what I needed for my roof and for my needs. We all know that prices rise for everything, right? The price for energy rises every year. Not for me. I was paying $200, $250 a month, sometimes $300 in the summer. Now my bill is $100 max. It's definitely worth it. It's, first of all, it's less money I'm paying every month, like, to the energy company. And second of all, even though I took out a loan to cover it, overall, I have a feeling it's saving me money because when I sell this house, I'm not just selling the house then, I'm also selling the solar array that's already set up and ready to go on top. So it's like, it's a double investment that I'm making. The one time I had an issue in the house, it was with something that wasn't solar related, but I called them up, asked them about it, and they said that even though it probably wasn't anything solar, they'd check it out anyway. They have a couple of actual electricians on staff. They came by, it was something that took less than a minute to fix, and it's something that probably would have taken me hours to resolve. I would have had to call an electrician, but Atma had me covered, and it was just nice to know that even though they only put in my solar, it felt like they were there for me for other stuff too. That confirmed for me, hey, I'm with the right people, I made the right choice. I would recommend Atma to anyone who I love and trust.